Hello and welcome back to my channel Orange Zest. Today's video is 5 morning drinks and first is chia seeds water. So now chia seeds water is a very famous drink. All of you must have heard about it. What you have to do, take a warm water in a jar or whatever you are comfortable with. The water should not be very hot and it should not be very cold. It should be warm water and then squeeze half a lemon to it. And after you squeeze the lemon, add some chia seeds to it. You can add it according to your preference. Maximum in on a daily basis you can have 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. That is a good amount to have, or you can have more or less, and then mix it properly. And yeah, it is very simple. Your chia seeds water is ready. Now chia seeds water is very beneficial to our health. Reason is these small little chia seeds are packed with fiber, protein, calcium, manganese, phosphorus, zinc and B complex vitamin. It is also very good source of antioxidants. So this all helps it to make a superfood and helps in weight loss, and it has also essential amino acids, so it gives good amount of protein. It also has omega 3 fatty acid which are good fat required by our body. Second is blue pea tea. So basically blue pea tea, it's a flower. The flower, it has many different names. The brand which I am here using is blue tea and it's butterfly pea green tea. So what you have to do, take a tea diffuser and take some petals, dried flower into that diffuser. You have to add that to the diffuser. Now butterfly blue tea or blue pea tea, it also has very health benefits, like it is effective in weight loss and it is also very effective for diabetic patient. It helps in managing the blood sugar levels. After you take a good amount of tea, what you have to do, you have to put that diffuser in a cup and add some hot water and let it brew. This is the brand which I am using, blue tea butterfly pea green tea. Add some hot water and let the leaves release its into the water and it will change its color. It will turn into blue color after a couple of minutes. So that's why it is given the name blue pea tea. Now talking about the health benefits, it is very high in antioxidant, and that high on antioxidants helps in detoxification of our body, and it also helps to make our skin look more younger and control aging of the cells. So this is how it will look, and yes, your blue pea tea is ready and you can have it. Make sure it's not too hot, and this is how it will look. And when you add some lemon to it, it will turn into purple color. That's very good. Third is apple cider vinegar water. Now apple cider vinegar water is also very famous drink and it's very easy to make. Like there's literally you can make it in 2 minutes. So it is that easy. So apple cider vinegar is also used by many people on day-to-day basis and it is very beneficial for many different health conditions. What you have to do, take 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and mix it into warm water and have it. You can have it in morning or before you have your meals. So the health benefits of this drink is it helps in weight loss. It also helps in reducing cholesterol, lowering blood pressure levels and improving the symptoms of diabetes. So it has got so many health benefits. So it is very good drink to have in the morning as your first drink if you want all of these added health benefits. Fourth one is amla powder water. So why amla powder water? Because amla fruit is not available the whole season, so just to compensate that, and our body needs vitamin C, so that's why we need amla powder water. What you have to do, take some warm water, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of amla powder into it and mix it properly. But what we don't want that powdery feel when we drink any drink. So what we have to do, after mixing it properly, just strain it into other container, whichever you prefer, so that you don't get that powdery feel and you get the drink. And amla is the richest source of vitamin C, so this drink helps in digestion and also improving immunity. Also amla is very good for our hair health, so that is one added benefit of this drink. So you can have it in the morning. You can also mix honey to it and it will give you more health benefit. It is also very helpful for digestion. So if you have this drink in first thing in the morning, it will help you with the digestion process. So the last tea and the drink which we are going to talk in this video is hibiscus flower tea. So I am using the same brand which I used for butterfly blue tea. So what you have to do, take the tea diffuser and add the dried flowers to it as we made it previously. If you don't have tea diffuser, what you can do, you can just simply how we make our regular tea, add the dried leaves in hot water and then drain that water and your tea will be ready. It is very easy to make and its flavor is very different. It's like sour flavor but it's not that sour, it's mildly flavorful. You will take some time to develop the flavor for it, but for the health benefits which provide and flavor it gives, it's very easy and very effective drink to have in the morning. And just add some hot water and let it brew for some time and your hibiscus flower tea will get ready. So now talking about the health benefits. Health benefits of hibiscus tea is it is packed with antioxidant. So because of that antioxidant, it is very helpful for our skin health and for our hair health. It helps in lowering blood pressure, lowering the blood fat levels, and it also helps in boosting our liver health because all that antioxidant helps in detoxification. Also, the tea is very helpful for weight loss and fat loss, and it is easy to make, so you can easily have it in the morning. And this is how it looks after brewing. It gives a beautiful red color. All the products which I had used in this video for making, I will link them below in the description box. And I hope you like this video and love all the morning drinks which I shared in this video, and I hope you give them a try. Give them a try and we will meet you next time in another video, and bye.